Every motorized screw jack must be controlled so that power to the motor is turned off and the brake engaged before the limits of mechanical travel are reached. This video will demonstrate how to easily set the end of travel positions using the adjustable cams in the limit switch assembly. Remove the cover on the limit switch assembly and refer to the diagram on the back. There are two cams that will need to be adjusted. Cam C, which corresponds to switch G, and Cam D, which corresponds to switch H. Switch G will be used for setting the jack in its fully retracted position of travel, and switch H for the fully extended position. First, position the jack at the desired retracted position. It is important to loosen the cam set screws before adjustment, otherwise the cams may be damaged. Loosen the red set screw. Adjust Cam C until contact is made with switch G. Retighten the red set screw. The retracted position of the jack is now set. Bring the jack to the desired fully extended position. Loosen the blue set screw. Adjust Cam D until contact is made with switch H. Retighten the blue set screw. This sets the extended position of the jack. The end of travel limits are now set. Replace the back panel. Then, operate the jack to ensure limit switches are adjusted correctly. To learn more about Thompson screw jacks, visit thompsonlinear.com or contact our experienced customer support team.